Hi fellow photographers, hi creators. My name is Apiu and I'm from Polokwane, South Africa. Today I'll be talking about 7 photography online stores that I trust. The first store, it's camerascom.co.za. I have bought a couple of things from Camerascom, from softbox, paper drops, speedlights. I haven't bought a strobe at Camerascom, but I know people that have bought some strobes at Camerascom. I've bought some softboxes. I bought my studio lights, which is MS300 with the softbox. I also bought my white backdrop and other color paper backdrops at Camerascom. They are very reliable. They deliver within 24 hours. In fact, if they are saying they've delayed, it's like 36 hours for your product to reach you. That's why I've put it as number 1. That's the one that I trust the most. And the second one has to be outdoorphoto.co.za. So the first time I bought a second-hand camera was at Outdoor Photo online. So my first camera that I bought online, which was second-hand, was 80D. So I bought my 80D at outdoorphoto.co.za. I was just testing, trying to see whether they are reliable and how fresh are the cameras. But it turns out, like, I was happy with the camera. I used my 80D. Like, I was so happy. It was still fresh. I couldn't believe the price. Like, the price was so affordable. So even today, I can still buy anything if I want anything. Like, if you want second-hand cameras, new cameras, you get them. I have bought my 250D at Outdoor Photo. Very clean, like very clean. I'm still using it. It's the one that I'm using. I got it at Outdoor Photo. It came with a 18-55 and a 50mm, so it was around 14,000. So I have bought also my Fujifilm. This Fujifilm. Yeah, XT3. It came with an 18-55. It was delivered within few days. So I was so happy about their services. They are very affordable, and it was on special. It was 23,500. So, and it came with the 18-55 lens. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And the other store that I recommend is cameras.com. At cameras.com, so far I've bought these are the lens for Fujifilm. These are 35mm. I bought it at first and my equipment got stolen, so I bought it again this year. Another photography website that I trust, it's cameraworld.co.za. Sorry. I have bought my TX30 XT30 actually. Yeah, the Fujifilm one. Yes, that's what I bought recently, and I'm so happy. And it was delivered within few days. So yeah, that's it with it. I haven't bought a lot of things, but if you need second-hand cameras or second-hand lenses and stuff, you can go to the website. It's cameraworld.co.za. So they are based in Cape Town. So the other one is OMS Direct. I haven't bought anything, but I have friends that have bought things, and it's very reliable. It delivers on time. And another one has to be Photo Discount World, also very reliable, based in South Africa. I think it's Johannesburg. Very, very, very reliable. They deliver it on time, and their prices are very, very reasonable. There's no need for you to buy from outside. So there's another one called Cameraland Santain.co.za. It's also reliable. I haven't bought anything, but I've had my close friends reviewing it, telling me that it's very, very good. So I've seen their equipments being delivered, so I do trust Cameraland Santain.co.za. So that's that. South Africans, thank you so much for watching. I did this video so that you don't get scammed, you don't order from sites that take time to deliver. Most of the time when you buy equipment, why not you buy a camera, maybe you need to use it for an upcoming wedding. So the camera took 10 days and the wedding is happening maybe in 5 days. So those are the photography sites that sell equipment that I trust. Within 2 days you can receive your thing. So if you need a camera urgently, you can buy, and within 2 days they deliver. So that's why I like them a lot.